Let me to tell a story to you all. There was a woodcutter. He felt very tired, so he thought to take a rest under a tree. So he went there and he started sleeping. Suddenly he thought and he asked to himself, I wish I could have a bed here to sleep. Suddenly he found a very nice bed in front of him. So he slept there. After a few seconds, he thought, I wish I could have good food here, because he was feeling very hungry. And suddenly lot of foods, varieties of food he got in front of him. He ate and he slept. Then suddenly he started feeling little bit tired. So he just asked to himself, and again he just wished, I wish someone should come here and massage me. Then suddenly 3-4 maids have come and they started massaging him and he felt very relaxed. Suddenly he got a fear. He thought, oh my God, I am here in a jungle, in a forest. If a tiger comes and will eat me, then suddenly a tiger has come and he has eaten. So do you know why did I tell this story? So today's topic is all about this man, and where I'm going to connect there, whatever that man was thinking. Do you know why it was happening? Here where he was sitting under a tree, that tree was a wish tree. It means you all have heard about the Kalpavriksha. Such kind of tree only he was sitting here. So here, why I am saying Kalpavriksha? Do you know everyone is having that Kalpavriksha in their life, and where is that Kalpavriksha? Our own mind. It means whatever we think, whatever we imagine, that sometimes, many of the time you will find that will happen in our life. But we always ignore the way that man has ignored. He did not notice that he is sitting under that Kalpavriksha and whatever he is wishing that will happen. He took for the granted. Same thing we are also doing in our life. So today I am going to tell you all the principle of positive thinking. We should understand how to bring positive thinking in our life. So 3 principles which are very important, which we all have to understand how this positive thinking or as well as negative thinking also works. First thing is, what you repeatedly thinking, like that man, he was repeatedly thinking this thing should happen. So we are also thinking this thing should happen, that will become. If you ask any doctor, any engineer, any successful person, how you became today, whatever the position they are holding, they all will give one answer to you, and that is, they were thinking this all from their childhood times. I will become a doctor, I will become an IAS officer. That's only they became. So you need to understand how your thought process is. So always think positive, what you want to become. The second thing is feeling. Have you seen and you just observe in your life, if you are feeling sad, you will be always feeling the sadness only. If you are feeling very joyful, most of the time you are feeling very joyful. Okay, why this is happening? Because feelings adds experiences, adds memories in our life. So I understand right now, suppose the situations are not good in our family. It's a pandemic situation. You are at home. Might be many of you are not having the in our family. Many of the people are not having the job and all. This kind of the situation will be there. But are you achieving anything with this feeling? No. What you need to do, exactly the opposite you have to do. You need to just remove negativity and you need to believe in God, believe in yourself and think how this situation should be overcome and what are the new things you are going to learn. So these are the things very important. The second principle, that is your feeling should be always towards positivity. The third thing, that is very, very important, imagination. The way we imagine, the way we create our life. If supposed to be right now I am in the kitchen and I don't want to cook now, and I'm thinking I don't want to cook. Okay, I have to just eat from outside. What will happen? I'm imagining I should eat outside. What will happen? Obviously, I will plan something, I will go out and I will eat only. Correct? So it means visualization, the way we attract, the way we manifest, this thing should happen, all the imagination will happen. I don't want to study, I don't want to do the job, I don't want to become the successful, I'm very dull. These are the only things are happening. So the principle of positive thinkings, you need to focus in these three things: your thought, then your feeling, then your imagination. If you can control your thought not to have the negative thinking, wonderful. The second thing is, obviously your feeling should be always positive only. Keep a smile on your face, and if the situation is not good also, please try to just overcome from that and read something, create some happiness around you, okay, and things will be well in your life. And the third thing is, imagine whether the things are not good also, imagine how it will become the good. So these are the three things, principle for positive thinking. I will give you some practices which we all know, but let us to start doing at least for the 30 days, and then just let me to know also whether it happened or not. That I used to say the magic. First is meditation. Again you are thinking that why practice for meditation for the positive thinking. Please understand, I am not saying to do the chanting and all. If you don't want to do, it's not important also. Meditation means your breathing. How you are taking the breathing that time, at least for the 10 minutes, 15 minutes, sit in one place and only focus on your breath. And that also deep breathe, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. You have to do it. So automatically what will happen? After a few days you will understand your mind is becoming very calm and peaceful. You are enjoying within yourself. Just look at me when I'm inhaling, when I'm exhaling, how I'm taking a deep breath and deep exhale also I'm doing. Ten seconds of deep inhale, 10 seconds of deep exhale I have done. With that, what will happen? Slowly you will find that somehow you can able to control your mind. And the second practice is affirmation. Again I am saying this is a magic mantra if you all will implement in your life. You just ask to anyone whether if you feel that that person is your role model, they are successful in their life because of affirmation. Affirmation means you need to chant to yourself, talk to yourself what you want in your life, the good thing, the positive thing. Just give that vibration to yourself. I am a doctor, I want to earn this, I am earning this, I have a good family, I have this, only positive as much as. So what will happen? Automatically you will become a very positive soul and positive person. So you need to implement this thing. So third practice that is very important, that is about you. Believe in yourself, not in others. If anyone criticizes about you also, that's take it as a positive feel only. Don't think that, don't do the reaction on that. Nothing will harm. If anyone is talking also bad about you, if anyone is criticizing bad about also you, nothing will happen. The thing is when it will harm you, when you are reacting on that. Believe in you, believe in your God, whether you worship to Shankar, Krishna, Allah, Jesus Christ, just believe in them, that they have given you this life to achieve something. So what you need, surround yourself, surround your aura, complete environment with the positivity with yourself only. So I hope you all should implement all these things in your life. Be positive. Let us to create positive environment in this world. Thank you so much.